So I've been posting YouTube for about a week now, and I'm getting less to 0 to 1 views. And here are the things I changed that got me almost 1,000 subscribers. So over the week, after doing some digging, I figured out small creators like us is when you start your channel with how I can add something interesting, something impressive or unique. That's when it really gets that views that you're looking for. For example, this creator, he used how I and got over 580k views. He did the same thing and got 541k views in just 4 weeks. You really put your focus in the title. So building an eye-catching title is to use this template, how I achieve X results in X time frame. That's the best way to really capture people's attention quick enough so they can really check out the video. For it really is story driven. For example, look at this video posted 3 days ago. It says how I actually make AI videos sound real. You see, it's talking about a story of how we made AI videos sound real. Even Mr. Beast uses this. He said how I got 100 million views per video. He's trying to tell a story of how he got 100 million views per video. So this title that are story driven is very important to get millions and millions of views. Okay, another important thing that is no in YouTube is that your thumbnail is very, very important. It's one of the most important things in YouTube channels. That will really capture the attention of the viewer. The scroll stopping, what makes the viewers stop and look at your video, that's the thumbnail. You can easily create an amazing thumbnail using AI. I use Gemini to create the thumbnail you see before you right now. Type in the prompts, tell him what to do, tell him what my video is about, and to generate it in mere seconds. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you learned anything from this video.